Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can find LAN Bank account number. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So there are some ways you can do so. So for that, first thing first, you can do it by simply going to your mobile banking app. Make sure it's updated one and then add in your user ID and password and tap on save user ID for next time and tap on login. Once you have logged in, you can simply log in and choose an account of yours. Once you have chosen the account or the card, you shall be able to check out the card details or the account details, including the account number. Right. Next up is accessing your bank passbook or monthly statement. Once you have accessed that, your account number will be printed on those documents, either on passbook or monthly statement. You can check it out. And if you still cannot find the account number, you can simply also contact LAN Bank's customer care center. You can contact the domestic toll-free number and then you can ask them as well about your account number. Those are the ways you can find out. If you got more questions, let us know in the comments below. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I will be seeing you guys in our next video.